Well, hey there, Chef Donna here, and welcome to Everyday Homemade. Today I am heading to my client's house and I'm going to be making a kielbasa mac and cheese. This has kielbasa that I'm going to sear up, and then I'm going to use old-fashioned elbow macaroni and two different cheeses. I'm going to use a cheddar cheese, and then I'm going to use a Monterey Jack cheese, which really gives it a nice blend of flavor. So I'm looking forward to getting to my client's house and getting started. I'll be back then.